So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll start with C# basics, and in today's content we'll learn what is C# and overview of .NET Framework and .NET Core, and also like understanding what is solutions, project and namespaces, and also writing our first C# program. So generally C# is a object-oriented programming language which is used to develop web applications and also like games and also mobile applications also. And for every programming language we need an IDE, right? So for C#, we will for .NET we will use Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio. So right now I'm using Visual Studio 2019 version. So you can install through browser also through browser, and you can visit this link and you can install the Visual Studio 2019, and you have to choose free community edition for that. And after installing it will ask few we have to select few steps in that will .NET desktop development, ASP.NET development. These options we have to select after installing, and then after completing of installing it will ask us to launch the Visual Studio. And once Visual Studio is installed we can open and now I'll show you what will be the Visual Studio. This is Visual Studio. When you open the Visual Studio it will appear like this. So these are my projects. Here we can create our projects, and here are we can clone a repository, and we can open a project or solution directly from here, or open a local folder. That is we will save our folders, right? That also we can open from here, and here we can create our new project. When you click on the create new project it will open a interface where one minute, let me expand the screen size. Here we can select, we can search console application or class library. Generally for developing web applications we will use ASP.NET Web Applications, whereas whenever we are developing only console applications we can select class library. We can search here like class library. Here we have got our class library in which we will write our code. So here we can give our project name. Like here we have to give our project name demo, and also here we can give the location, like where we want to save the project that we are developing or that we are writing. So either documents or desktop, whatever it is, you can create a folder and you can save that. And here we can select the frameworks, which framework is like for developing plugins, or that for that we need a 4.6.2 version. So here I'm just giving a demo, so I'm keeping this as it is and creating a project. So this is how it looks like. This is the interface of Visual Studio. So here this is the class we have created. So these are namespaces. This is a namespace through which these are name same as our project name, and here these are using directives, and these are assemblies. So in this class we can write our code. In this class we will write our code. So let me write a code. Okay. Generally, whatever program we are writing, it will be executed through main program only, like main method, from main method itself. It's like static void main. So this is how we will write our program. Console.writeLine is the keyword which will display our output in console window, like in our console window where we will get our output. Is my screen fully visible, or is it half only? Hmm. Okay. So here we'll have a start button, or else we can directly run our program by clicking F5, function F5 button, which will directly take us to the console window, like where our output will be visible. One minute. So whenever we will create the same project with the same name and in the same folder, if you want to have the same project name with you if you want to create a same project with the same name, then you have to change the location, like where you will save the where you have saved the first project. Not this one. uh, 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Okay. I have opened the console window itself, but yeah, yeah. I'm sharing. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Whenever I have selected console application, it is opening another project. Like, yeah, console dot right. Um, it is executed. 1 minute. It is not taking away 1 minute. I think. Yeah. Control dot console dot println. Wait. Yes. Yes. Yeah, it came to next one. Yes. Hello world. Okay. 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 Uh, should I create the solution again? Like pro? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yeah. I have continued. Okay. 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 Uh, so this is how it will show our output in the console window. And should I tell what are data types, or should I explain once again? Should I explain once again, or should I go forward like what are data types like that? Okay. So generally, whenever we are like we have given directly here in the main method, we have directly given what is console.write, what we want to execute. Whatever, what if we want to write a logic, or what if we want to uh, display some another thing like about displaying integers or displaying any other value. This is in a string format now. Generally, data types are used in C sharp to specify what kind of data a variable can hold. It means we will assign a value to a variable, and we will declare that value what that variable should hold. So for example, um, take a class, another class, or here itself. For example, if you want to display age, so the age will be in number, right? So for number we will use integer, int age. Here int is a data type, age is a variable here, and we are assigning what this variable should hold. Age 20, and semicolon is must because we indicate that line has been ended by giving it semicolon. And for example, if you want to give a name, or give a place name or a person's name, so we will declare that with string data type, string name. And here for string we will give that value in a double quotes. For example, Akshita here. So data types, generally data types are of different types. So int, string, double, float, and bool, these are different types of data types that are present in C sharp. So am I clear, or do you have any doubts in this? So double is used to hello. Okay. Hello. Yeah, I'm clear, right? Okay. So double data type is used to so double is generally used for declaring a decimal values or decimal numbers like 0.00 point, or if you give a salary, or if you take salary or weight, or like that, those for those decimal numbers we will use double data type. And also like character, for like gender, sometimes we will give full names like a male, female, and like that. If you want to give any single character itself for a gender, we will use char keyword char data type. And characters, this character data type should be declared in single quotes. Okay, am I clear? And so if you want to, like, here we have written console.writeline, we have given what you want to execute. And if you want to execute, like, here this name, here we are getting a warning sign. So it is saying like is assigned but never, its value is never used. It means we have to assign that to a we have to assign that variable. So here we can see like what potential it will give a potential fixes. So here we can directly resolve that issue, or else here we can write like okay. So if you want to display name, we can give in console.writeline. Difference between console.writeline and console.write is that console.write will display your output and the cursor will stay on the same line, whereas console.writeline will execute the code and it comes to the next line. Here we have declared our name as string, right? So here why it has given the error is that with the same name there should not be both variables. So when you want to like execute it, here you can write name yes. It is executed. See, here it has asked us to enter a name. See, it has come to the console.write. It has come to this, and it will give the same name. See, here it has given the total name. This is how data types work. And also, if you want to show like age also, then you have to give so okay. So here it is saying like you cannot implicitly convert type string to int. So here we have to convert that. You have to convert the data type to int. And if you want, if it is not taking like that, you can also convert by parsing. So, and here you can comment this, and here while executing, console.write will read this message, like it will read the enter your age. It will ask you to enter your age, and there you will enter your age, and after entering it will convert the string into integer, and then it will read the line, and it will read, after reading the line it will come to console, this method like console.write line, and it will execute, and it will give you the output. See, it had come to the next line, enter your age, and See, it has come to the next line, and it will give you like, here it will give you the display, it will display the age is 90. And you can also, if you want to display both name and age also, then you can uncomment them and start. Oh, I have continued with the without. See, it has come to console.age. See, name is ABC and age is also displayed. This is how data types work. Am I clear? Hello? Okay. And if you want, I will show again like how to create a project and how to select console application and how to create a class. Should I repeat again? Hello? Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Okay. Next thing is constants. Constants are generally it is a variable whose value cannot be changed, like once we have assigned. For example, in our mathematical terms, pi value will be there, that we won't, it won't be changed. The value of pi always remains the same. So like that, if you want to give a variable that shouldn't be changed, then we'll use constant. Like for declaring a constant, we will use keyword like const double I equals to like like this. The value of pi always remains the same, and this can't be changed at all. So for these for the values which you don't want to change at any time, then you can declare that variable as constant. And generally these are used for mathematical constants or configuration settings. And next is enumerations. Like enum is a keyword which we use to declare enumerations. It is a special class like which represents a group of constants. So here in enumerations we will declare the constants where we don't want to change. So it will help you to like give a set of values and which helps to it make the code more readable, like easy to understand. For example, if you want to declare days of a week, like Monday, Tuesday, then we will give like enum day. So which you want to show, like these values will also like define the remain same, but it will reoccur, like Sunday, Monday, etc. And it is used to represent like days or week, names of week or months, etc. And next, coming to operators, like operators are expressions. Here can I clear all this? So there are like operators are used to perform like different types of uh, operations. Like there will be arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators as well. And in arithmetic operators, which is used to perform mathematical operators, like I have told you, for sum we will use integer. In sum equals to plus 3. Oh, 1 minute, it is closed automatically. See, it has given the sum like 8. Here plus is arithmetic operator, like plus addition, subtraction or multiplication, division, etc. are arithmetic operators. And coming to relational operators, these are used to compare two values. For example, is greater than or is less than. If it will give a comparison between two values. And coming to logical operators, it is used to perform logical operations, like if 1 minute. Sorry guys. So here if you want to boolean is like between two values. So have you understood like what is arithmetic operators? Okay. So after arithmetic operations, there is a relational operators which is used to compare like if both are equal or which is greater or which is less than, or it will give you an a result of greater than or less than, which is greater one, which is lesser one. And coming to logical operators, it is used to perform logical operations like between two, there will be two conditions, and from that we will use for example and. Wait, I will show you. So here we have used AND operator. This is one of the logical operator like AND or like so here this is the OR symbol, right? OR and these represents logical operators, or else like not equals to, not equals to, or not less than, like this. So and or and not, these are these are used for logical operators. So greater than, less than, or equals to, this is used to represent relational operators. And plus, minus, multiplications, and modular is modulars, these are used for arithmetic operators. And assignment operator, like here we are using equals to sign. This represents assignment operator. So these are up to operators and expressions. Is it clear up to this, or should I repeat anything? Okay. Should we continue today, or remaining class we will continue tomorrow? Control statements and for loops, all loops will continue tomorrow. Is that okay, or should I continue today itself. Control statements. Okay, control statements we will do tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Hello. Ba. అయిపోయింది క్లాస్ 7కి 7 to 8 7 to 8 mm.